Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Masterclass with Tapas. This is the channel for new age management skills and lifestyle tips for budding managers like you all. So today I will be talking about training and development of employee. Employee training and development programs are essential for the success of business worldwide, particularly these days. Not only do this program offer opportunity for staff to improve their skills, but also employers to enhance employee productivity and improve company culture. So, what is the difference between training and development? Training is the process of improving and polishing the required skill to an employee in order to make him or her skilled and perfectionist in the job in which he or she does. Training is purely job focused, but development is psychology and is soft skills oriented. In fact, many organizations are using term training and development as one and the same. Mostly, we hear from the term training for the purpose of inducting skills and knowledge among employees. Both training and development are continuous and core tasks of an organization. But employee training will be for more particular job to develop skills in a concern particular job for a particular period and will be given periodically whenever upgrading skills needed for performing particular job, and moreover training is meant for the purpose of development of technically among the employees. Training is mainly provided for making employees more aware on how to handle a particular job, technology or equipment for doing particular tasks or the function in an organization. Ultimately, training of employee will be by teaching by the professional in a particular job which involves technically to develop the skills. In a mainly large an organization, even in governmental organization, financial budgeting provides a separate budget for the purpose of employee training as the key overhead, which has not been ignored over because employee training is very expensive. Especially we can take the information technology companies spend large amount of their budget providing training to their employees, and frequency of the training is high because of change in the technology is not constant and updated continuously. Therefore, making aware of new technology and update their skills in accordance with the new technology of training and employees more frequent as that of other tradition and modern approach of training and development are the two key aspects. Traditional approach, most of the organization before never used to believe in training. They were holding in the traditional view that the managers are born and not made. There are also some other views that training is very closely affair and not worth. Organization used to believe more in executive pensioning, but now the scenario has been changed. Modern approach of training and development is that even the Indian organization have realized the importance of corporate training. Training is now considered as more of a reflection tool than a cost. The training system in Indian industry nowadays has been changed to create a smart workforce and yield the best result. Now the HR people also training and development manager is responsible for organization staff training requirement programs and career development needs. They supervise training of staff, plan and administer training, seminars and manage conflict resolution, team building and employee skill evaluation. Nowadays, the HR department specialists plan, produce and administer the staff and the management training program. They conduct program to develop employee skills in accordance with the organization practice and policies across the levels. Additionally, they research and evaluate training resources as well as suggest new topics and methods. Nowadays, we have got Chief Learning Officer is relatively new executive level position. The CLO is in charge of employee training, education, and learning structure across the enterprise, as well as providing the expertise to ensure everyone has access to intellectual tools, information, and the data they need. The primary success factor of CLO is to transfer learning into strategic business asset. To expect flawless execution from the team members and colleague would quite unread. People do make errors based on incorrect and incomplete data, altered information, or simply a wrong judgment. But to terminate some services, incomplete action of them would be in the bigger blunder. Here, what we can do when you have faced with the loss or someone else erroneous activity. Training and development objectives are the most in the front. The principal objective of training and development division is to make sure that availability of a skilled and willing workforce to an organization. In addition to that, there are four other objectives. First, individual, organizational, functional, and social. Individual objective helps employees in achieving their personal goals, which in turn enhance the individual contribution to organization. Organization objectives assist the organization with the primary objective by bringing individual effectiveness. Functional objective maintain the department contribution to the level suitable of organizational need. Then the social objective ensure that organization is ethically and socially responsible for the needs and the challenges of the society. Training and development is one of the most important function of a human resource development aimed at improving and polishing the skills and the performance of an employee in an organization that have been told. It has been known as several names, including employee development, human resource development, and the learning and development. Training and development is a new term which consists of three main activities: training, education, development. As we all know that nowadays, due to this online work from home, training and development needs some much more. Here, the HR managers tell their employees how to reduce stress, and other relevant training materials are always on their company's intranet. The activities both focused upon and evaluated against the job of an individual currently hold. Education, training and development boost employee productivity. Employee productivity is another area where the importance of training and development can be seen. Employees who take part in effective training and development programs work more efficiently. To evaluate the effectiveness of their employee development and training programs, organization can perform this measure according to some leading HR people, measuring performance result, evaluating work to determine the level of importance, give pre and post training assessment, asking employees to share what they expect from training and development programs and whether the company's effort meet this expectation. Mining data, studying the data as the time spent on the course of a dropout rates of glean insight about how the employees are engaging with the content, conducting polls and test polls, and the competition within the training can measure the employees' knowledge and engagement. Employee productivity can also be indicator of the training effectiveness. So below, or what I should say, that there are some examples in which you can effectively use training and development apart from raising the employee morale. Programs help employees to manage tasks individually or in teams, relying on a greater understanding of the process and clearly defined goal. Because employees are well versed in a skill required for their job, they will require less time to find out ways to perform a task. Then, targeting required skills, providing training and development to an employee allows company to pinpoint the knowledge and skill they want their employee to have. Like these days, artificial intelligence, data mining, Power BI are the important training programs which the companies are offering to their employees through online. Encouraging continuous improvement. Today, ever-changing technologies call for upskilling on a regular basis, and training and development programs provide that opportunity. This effort encourages innovation and willingness to take risks to employ processes with less time for supervision. Instilling confidence, not only will employees will have participate in training and development program, have more confidence in their knowledge and abilities, but also will their manager. This confidence fosters a sense of enthusiasm and accountability for working result. Clarifying expectation. Training and development program can help organization to clarify for the staff and expectation they may have. This effort promote a performance-based culture in which employees set attainable goal on well-defined organization principles. So, if you all like my thought, share it, comment it, and subscribe to my channel Masterclass with Tapas. Till I meet next, bye for now. Thank you.